Landslides hit Cannon Road and other areas in Baguio after days of heavy rain triggered flash floods and road closures. The north-south supply chain is now under strain, affecting tourism, truck routes, and trade flows to and from northern Luzon. Let's get the latest straight from the ground. Joining us now, Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong. Hello, Mayor Magalong. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, Mai. Good afternoon sa ating mga viewers and listeners.
Mayor, how's the situation in Baguio at kamusta po ang panahon dyan ngayon?
Okay, we continue to have experience intense and heavy rain. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Walang let up yung ulan dito ngayon since Friday. In fact, canceled na naman yung classes for the past 2 days. We canceled classes. Start 6 years old and below. I'm rather grade 6 and below. And for tomorrow, we just received a memorandum from the Office of the Executive Secretary that all classes at all levels, including government offices, suspended ang work. So, at the same time, we're doing everything to, address itong mga problema namin with our evacuees. We have about 29 individuals that comprises about 8 families that are now at our evacuation centers.
Mayor, your assessment so far in terms of the damage caused by the incessant rain. Sabi niyo nga po, last Friday pa nagsimula.
Yes, we're now working on our RDNA, yung Rapid Disaster Assessment. At right now, we cannot quantify at the moment, but just to inform you, we have about 19 soil erosions or tinatawag natin landslide, a combination of medium and small landslides. Meron din kami mga damage na mga houses. We have 13 partial damage and 1 that totally damaged. Meron din kaming 1 totally, siguro napanood mo sa video yung pagkakasira ng isang sasakyan. But the good news is we don't have any injuries or fatalities.
Mabuti naman po as to casualties, wala pong na itatala. Pero yung evacuees po, you mentioned about 8 families seeking shelter in evacuation centers. What are their needs at this time, sir?
They're doing okay, and we're providing all the necessary support and assistance, including food sa kanilang lahat. So, pati na rin yung kanilang mga pangangailangan, naibigay naman na natin lahat, and they're okay. Everybody's okay.
Mayor, the status of Cannon Road, is it still closed? How many landslides were recorded there?
Marami tayong mga small landslides along Cannon Road, no? And at the same time, meron din tayong mga boulders na bumagsak doon. In fact, there's one particular big boulder that's now that fell about the other day. Tapos meron pa kami nakikitang 2 big boulders that probably anytime soon, pag lumakas ang ulan, babagsak din yun. So we're working closely with the MGB and at the same time with the DPWH, paano ibabagsak yun, because that would, it's now posing as a risk. At ang dami-daming bahay na tatamaan doon sa baba. Kaya pinag-uusapan namin ngayon anong klaseng mode ang pagtanggal doon sa 2 huge boulders na yun.
Given that situation, Mayor, is Cannon still closed? And what about the other roads going to and from Baguio City?
Yeah, good question. Cannon Road is closed right now. All the other thoroughfares leading to the city of Baguio, they're open. Yung meron lang tayong problema doon sa Halsema Highway because there are actually 2 areas doon na you have to exercise caution because of the continuous landslides.
I can imagine clearing those boulders na nahulog po, could be challenging. Is the Public Works and Highways Department helping you, the LGU, in clearing operations?
Yeah, they're very they're very alert and they're very responsive to every time we call them. Kaya we would like to thank the Department of Public Highways for all the support they're providing. Pati na rin yung different health and emergency offices na nandito, Red Cross, together with the other volunteers, Department of Health, nandyan sila lagi para tumulong naman sa amin at mabilis naman sila.
Mayor, hindi naman po nagka-problema in terms of power, the power situation, water, and telecoms?
Insofar as water is concerned, wala naman kaming problema. Tuwan-tuwa nga kami at tuloy-tuloy yung water namin dito ngayon. But electricity, sometimes we experience brownouts. But the good news is our electric cooperative, Beneco, in just a matter of 2, 3 hours or 4 hours at most, are able to restore them.
What's your advice to the public then, given that Pag-asa's forecast of continuing rains until Friday?
Well, siguro yung lang gusto pa rin magbakasyon, I would like to visit the city of Baguio. I would suggest and I would highly, advise you to please take Marcos Highway or Naguilian Road. And please bring your jackets, bring your raincoats, talagang wet, kandila and umbrellas. Talagang rainy dito, and the forecast is that until weekend, we're going to experience intense and heavy rain.
Mayor Magalong, thank you for your time, sir.
Maraming salamat din po.
Mag-ingat po kayo, Mayor. Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong.